Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead, guys. Yeah, this is exactly what I want to show you. Once you come to the forex course, right? Excuse me. Now, these are the forex courses. There are tutorials that allows you, know some basic stuff about the forex. Even I'm sure we are all here to, know how to use the scanners and all that. Take trades by yourself, but there's some things that you must know before you even understand taking trades. So you just have to just walk through these videos. The first one you have to do is the basic. The next one is intermediate. The third one is advanced. Guys, I know they are like this, but they are not properly arranged. So you have to start with the basic, intermediate, advanced, uh, then module one, module two, and module three. Now let me walk you through the basic. Uh, this is gonna steal our time, but I'm just gonna do this anyways. Now, what you have to do is watch this video on what is forex and our purpose. All right, and then the next one is what is a currency pair. You might need it. All right, you might need to understand these things. What is a peep? What is a candle? Introductory platform, trading view review, forex factory basic. This is like a part one and part two of it, and then MT4 and MT5 introduction. Difference between these two. Different styles and graphs. Market structure like a part one and part two of it. Then difference between scalping and swing. Yeah, these are like a part one and part two of it. Then technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. That's like a basic. Okay, I think you need to start with mode one first. Okay, you need to start with basic and then mode one next. Now, module one actually tells you about price action candle. This is very important, guys. As you can see, it's 40 minutes. You don't have to rush it. It's like the only lengthy video on this course. It's very important and very underrated. Now, currency pairs as well. You might need to watch the video. Pips as well. Trading sections very underrated and important. Trend and trend lines, support and resistance, types of orders, the likes of buy stop, sell stop, and all of that. So you need to know when to use them and how to use them. Now, don't forget basic course, module one, then intermediate. These guys are not arranged. That's what I'm emphasizing on it. Now, intermediate goes further. All right. This shows you key points for a trading plan. Very important. If trading plan part two this is like a part one and a part two of it. Risk and reward or risk and benefits. You need to know risk management, guys. Very underrated as well. When to close partials, also very underrated, guys. Taking partials is low key a different skill. All right. When you get profits, knowing how to take your profit is a skill. It's very underrated, anyways. You get to learn when to close partials here, maybe how to close it, right? Introduction to support and resistance, how to draw support and resistance, introduction to candlestick patterns, very underrated as well. Candlestick patterns. So you want to pay attention to these things, then know how to do them effectively. Yes. So next one we're going to be looking at is the advanced course. Right? Advanced course. What is price action? Don't forget on basic we spoke about price action candlestick. That's like candlestick price action, and this is price action itself on the chart. Yeah. And then market traffic, price action part two, institutional price. Very underrated, guys. Very underrated. You need to know the institutional price and how to utilize them. All right. Institutional price part two, volume and time change. Good strategy. It's funny how when I get to this part, I just remember that I've never seen this video. I don't think I will anytime soon because I don't like the XAU. So advanced candlestick part one and part two. Right. So basic module one, intermediate, and then advanced. And then you can now go ahead and watch basic, sorry, module 2 and then module 3. Module 2 is you getting, or you wanting to like get a strategy for yourself and how to take trades and all that. So you can just pick any of these are strategies for you to trade. Just pick any of it, watch, just study like crazy, and then master it. Then go straight to the chart and find it. Go top, go to bottoms, charts, sorry, channel chart patterns, wedge chart patterns. These are quite simple though. Very okay, maybe not very simple, but they yeah, straightforward. You just have to understand how to use them. Symmetrical chart pattern, ascending and descending chart pattern, pinets, quite simple, right? Flag chart pattern, um, cup chart pattern, rounded chart patterns, and diamond. So these are chart patterns, guys. Yeah, if you want any strategy of a chart pattern, just go ahead, watch any of these videos and pick one. You don't necessarily have to know everything, though you can study everything, but just be a master at few of them, so you don't get overwhelmed with all the information. All right. Momentum trading strategy. These are also strategies, guys. Strategies that you can just pick one or two and then continue utilizing them. Guys, this strategy stays with you forever if you know them. All right. It stays with you forever. Breakout trading strategy, pullbacks trading strategy. Pullbacks is the same thing as this, right? Or retrace. Introduction to Fibonacci. Fibonacci is also a strategy on its own, so you might want to watch Fibonacci trading strategy, and then pin bar. Pin bar on its own, so is a very powerful strategy on its own. You can use these guys independently to take trades without combining any other kind of strategy. All right, so that is exactly what I want to show you on here on the GFU Forex Academy on this courses. I mean, make sure to see the video, guys. Make sure to. I know it's very difficult. Yeah, I know. I'm talking from experience. It's very difficult to see these videos because number one, you don't find time. Okay, Techno, I got you. Number one, you don't find time for yourself. Am I really audible now, guys? Am I audible enough? Guys, am I audible enough? Yes or yes? I think it's my mic. Guys, am I good now? Can you guys hear me clearly? It's very important that you hear me though. Very important. Are we good, guys? Can we go ahead? Alright, cool. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying, guys. What was I saying? Come on. Okay, so I was talking about just picking one strategy without making everything overwhelming and all that. So let's just go straight to the scanners. Oh, I think I need to walk you through how to join educators. Like, no, let's don't do that, guys. That's gonna steal our time a little bit. Let's just go straight to the scanners because the scanner itself it's going to take a lot of time. Yeah, so let's just manage our time. Now, permit me to delete this. Now, before we even get to the scanner itself, this scanner part, I want to show you something. If we go all the way to the downside, all the way to the downside, yeah, like this, you see, learn how to use the GIF scanner. Learn how to use the GIF. These are official tutorials on how to use the GIF scanner. All right, official tutorial on how to use the GIF scanner. We've got 6 scanners here that has tutorials. I mean, there are 8 scanners, but 6 of them has tutorials on how to go around them. Now, this is the trendy scanner. We have the trendy scanner, the golden era, quantum scanner, wolf FX, and purple, and the Nexus scanner. Now, this is a trendy scanner. You can read about the trendy scanner. You can watch tutorials regarding the trendy scanner. And then you can also download documents. All right. If you're not the type that likes to watch tutorials, okay, that was what I was trying to say. I was trying to say, I know it is difficult to watch tutorials on yeah, watch tutorials rather. I know it's very easy to watch movies. Trust me, you can watch movies 9 episodes in a day without getting tired. But watching tutorials, it is very difficult. All right, it's very difficult, and that's one of the reasons you paid to be here. You paid to have access to these tutorials, guys. So please, 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 and please make sure. I know it's very difficult, but just try. Don't don't see it as in we don't watch everything in one day. You won't understand. Don't just watch it for the sake of I'm asked to watch this video before I go ahead. I'm asked to watch all the videos before I fund my account. No, don't do like that. Watch it for the sake of learning. All right. Watch it for the sake of learning. When you watch and you don't understand, it's okay to watch it again, study it again and again until you understand. All right. If you don't understand, it's okay to ask questions. It is very okay, guys. It's a new year. Let's learn to ask questions. All right. Learn to ask questions. If you don't ask questions, you won't get answers. All right. So yeah, that was what I was trying to remember. So yeah, Trend Scanner is designed for serious crypto traders, offering powerful insights for BTC, USD, and other cryptocurrency pairs. It identifies opportunities across three trading style. Even if you are a swing trader, you are a scalper, you are a day trader, trend wave, it's got you covered. All right. So tutorials as well. There are around about trend wave rather. You can. Do I want to play this? No. Okay. You can see this. See this. Okay. Let me show you something here. Please pay attention, guys. Now, for the record, spoiler alert, Chandra Scanner, the tutorials here is very boring, but you don't have to see or think about how boring it is. You just want to get value, all right? So make sure to watch it. All right, make sure to see this video. Now, look at this thing. Okay, let's first go to the trend wave scanner. Trend wave scanner. Please pay attention, guys. I beg of you. Now, this is it. You can see this blood. I'm sure you don't know what it means. Let me delete these guys. I mean, they take up space. That's why I like to delete them. This blood icon, you know what it means? This diamond icon, I'm sure you don't know what it means because you've not seen the tutorial. Yeah, on Trendy Scanner. This purple stuff here, this rectangular rubbish here, I know you don't know. If you this triangular stuff here too. Yes, let's get back. You'll find everything here and you know what they mean. This blood indicates what? Cells. The diamond over here indicates what? Buy. The red whatever here, this yellow stuff here, POC, this square whatever here, overbought zone. Alright, this one here over indicates overbought oversold zone indicates buys. All of these things you just have to understand. So if you're taking a trade using the scanners, if you see this, if this pops up, like, okay, let's go to the okay, we don't have anything here. Now if you see this stuff like this triangular stuff here, you know what it means already. Why? Because you've seen the tutorial. If you see it here, it's an indication for you to do what? Do a sell. And as you can see, it's actually sold. Boom, retraced here, came back, and then it sold here. If you sell from here and then market gets this place with proper management, you'll be getting out on 524 pips in profits. All right. So you just need to know what you are doing. So that is exactly what I want to show you. Not just that, golden era as well. Golden era also has a tutorial you can see. All right. You can also watch tutorials on golden era. But tonight we're going to be talking about three scanners, the Trinity scanners, guys. That's what we're going to be talking about. Yes. Also, quantum scanner, guys. You can just see all of these videos and then decide the scanners that works best for you. Yeah, yeah. See the videos and then the scanner what scanner. Decide what scanner you can work with. OBX does not have any tutorial. Okay, amazing. Sniper Pro has 4 tutorials, and this also has a tutorial video. All right, this is new, guys. This is a new scanner, so you want to see it. All right, you want to see it, guys. Now, very quickly, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Are we ready, guys? Are you ready? Let's get back to scanners. We're going to be talking about the trinity scanner today, guys. Yeah, yeah. Now, this is how to use the G4 scanner. Do you have any question before we move on? You can't watch movie for long again. Crazy stuff. Why can't you watch movie for long? Yeah, watching movies for the rich, bro. If you're less busy, of course, you can just go ahead and see movies. But there are some spirits that just whisper to you that instead of watching today, why not just see movies? That's not a good voice, bro. Okay, guys, let's change this into a dark thing. Guys, are we ready? Let's talk about the Trinity scanners. Now we're going to be working with the Trinity scanner, um, the Nexus scanner, and the Sniper Pro scanner. These are the Trinity. Formerly, it used to be it used to be Q-shot scanner, but the Q-shot scanner was replaced. All right, it was replaced with this Nexus scanner. So we're going to be talking about these three: Trendwave, Nexus, and the Sniper Pro scanner. Now, this is the Trendwave scanner. A lot of people ask, can you use the Trendwave scanner independently? The very question. All right, because I personally don't use it independently. Of course, you can't use it independently, but it's wise to marry other scanners alongside. Now, first thing first, what do? You have to choose a pair. Please, I need you guys to pay attention, all right? You have to choose a pair, all right? When I say pair, you have to choose like the instruments you want to trade. For example, you want to trade. Now, let's give me an example of a pair we should look at tonight, guys. Very quickly, what pair would you like us to look at tonight? Very, very quickly, guys. Okay, BTC USD, UUSD, or USD JPY. Which one exactly should we look out for, guys? Which one exactly? BTC USD, UUSD, ATH USD. Okay, I think I'm liking the crypto stuff. Now, majority has carried it. It's very quickly. We just need one more BTC USD, USD, and or Ethereum USD. Very very quickly, guys. BTC USD it is, guys. Let's go for BTC USD. All right. Okay, BTC USD. So this is it. First thing first, what do you want to do? You want to watch out for 4 time frames. All right, 4 time frames, guys. This is very important. Now, a lot of people ask again. Hold on, please. A lot of people ask that why is Trendwave not proactive? That's because you're not using it the right way. Trendy is one of my favorite scanner. Like personally, it is one of my favorite scanner. It's not my favorite, but it is one of my favorite scanner. All right, because it gives me. Uh, I don't know if it's safe to say it gives me what I want, because I want a lot of things that is not giving me as well. But it is giving me 80% to 70% of what I need. And in the trading space, there's only two things that can be done, which is a buy or sell, or a buy and sell. Yes or yes? Yes. Now, in the buy and sell, or buy or sell, there are lots of other things in it. Trading is very, very broad, but it consists of these two things: buy and sell. Now, the most important thing aside from buy and sell is entry and exit. If you're buying and selling, if you're just buying and selling anywhere, all right, you probably lose your money. So the important thing is entry and exit. So if you're entering correctly and you're not exiting correctly, you might end up losing your money. Now, if you're not entering correctly, or you're exiting correctly but you didn't enter correctly, you will still end up losing money. So these two things is very, very, it's as important. As a matter of fact, it's even important more than just buying and selling. And that's where Trendwave comes in. Trendwave comes in, it gives me an entry point and exit point. And these points are, I don't know, I have no words for it, but they're superb. Though they have like price difference in different broker, but the bottom line is you're giving a point at which, or you're just giving me an idea of where I can enter from and exit from. That's like the most important trading space, where you're entering from and where you're exiting. Anybody can just come, a fool can just come into the chat and then hit on the buy button or the sell button. But the important part is where exactly are you entering from. Now look at this. Trendwave is saying enter here. This is my entry, right? This is my entry, right? And exit here. This is my exit. Now from here is 49 pips. Now, if Trendwave is asking me to enter here and exit somewhere around, let's say, now you need to understand that exit means TP. Entry is your entry. Invalidation means stop loss. I'll get into that. All right. But what you need to do first is pick, as I was saying, pick a pair, BTC USD. All you just have to do is come to, I mean, it's already on trend wave. This is your time frame. You have to come to crypto. BTC USD is a crypto pair. Now, if it was a forex pair, for example, we had an example of Euro USD or USD JPY. All right, you can just come to forex, and then beside it right here, there's a drop down here, Euro USD or AUD JPY. Give me a second, guys. This is a good one. Give me a second, please. Okay, let's go ahead. Sorry about that. Now that's that about the currency, forex pair rather, and it was a commodity. You just do the same, come here, and then you get like pairs here. Same thing for indices. Ooh. Same thing for stocks as well. Just, I mean, indices, you could come here like from the 30 US and the rest. But right here, our example here is crypto, right? Cryptocurrency. You come list all cryptocurrency. You can manually search for BTC USD or Ethereum USDT. Now, if you don't want to do all of this nonsense, just come here and then search for whatever pair you want to trade. For example, EUR USD. Boom. Once you click on it, it gives you EUR. Please permit me to delete this, guys. I really do not like them. USD ready, right? If it is Amazon, you do the same. You get your Amazon instruments. So that's rubbish. Yeah, yeah. This for it is like to trade. Instead of coming to this page, just go ahead. First is if you don't change here, whatever you have here, now we have crypto BTC right here on Amazon. You can change your time frame, nothing happens. But if you come here and then change time frames, it goes back to where it is that is selected here. This is USD. Now watch me change into the 15 minutes time frame. Boom. And then it's USD. Did you see that, guys? So yeah, so you have to pay attention. That's like a quick whatever, quick action. So yeah, first thing first, would you pay attention to four time frames as I was saying? Four time frames. Four time frames. Alright. How did I delete this second line? Okay, let's get back. Now, if you're using a mobile view, it's difficult to explain. Now, I think back. Yeah, what was that? Though? Humble, really humble. Now, there's like a tiny. Okay, look at this blue tiny line. If you're using a mobile view, you have to touch on it. So if you touch on it, this icons pop up. There's like a panel, whatever. Just delete panel. All right. You have to make sure they are touching on this line. Should you see that? You have to make sure. If not, it won't bring you. If you, it won't give you these options to delete. All right. So yeah, let's go ahead. I hope that was clear enough. Now, four time frames, guys. As I said, four time frames. Before we go ahead, you need to know that excuse me, any market that goes to the upside is a buy market, and any market that comes to the downside is a sell market. All right. Any market that goes to the upside is a buy market, and a market that comes to the downside is a sell market. So you have to pay attention to four time frames: the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes, and the 1 hour time frame. All right, and the 1 hour time frame. These four time frames are very, very essential and very, very important because you need to make sure that they are giving you the same directional bias. When I say the same directional bias, I mean they are asking you to go to the same direction. Same direction. When I say the same direction, I'm talking about the same signal. So if 1 hour is giving you a buy, you want to make sure that the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes is giving you a buy. If if one is a sell, you want to make sure that all of these times are also saying a sell. And there's a tweak to that. I need you to pay attention. There's a tweak to it. Now, if you're watching this, please pay attention. All right. Now let's start with 1 hour. What kind of direction is this asking us to go to? If you know it, just drop it in the chat and then we'll talk about it. If you don't know it, just drop it. You don't know, and we'll also talk about it very, very quickly, guys. I'm really difficult in getting to see that. Okay, okay, this is giving us a buy. Beautiful. How do we know this is a buy? Because our entry is here, our exit is here. Entry is here, exit is here. Now, before you understand instead of this is, you need to understand if a market goes to the upside, it's a buy market. Now let's write. I might need to write a little bit. Any market that goes to the upside, let's write. Okay, so a market that goes to the upside uh, referred to or is referred to as a buy market. You can refer to this as a buy market or a bullish market or a what? A long market. Same thing goes for a market that goes to the downside or a market that is going to the downside. You can refer to this as a sell market or a bearish market, or you say it is a short market. Does that make sense, guys? All right. The market is going to the upside. It's a buy market, a bullish or a long. It's going to this downside. It is a sell market, a bearish market, or a short market. Now, this is how you get to know. This is how you get to know. You need to know exactly how you get to know. Once you see entry is your entry. Whenever you see exits, another word for exit is take profit. Another word for exit is take profit. Now, I need you to pay attention. This is exactly how you get to know these things. Take profits, and the abbreviation for take profit is TP. So instead of saying take profit, you can easily just call it TP. We already know what it means, right? Whenever we see exit, we know it means TP. Whenever we say TP, we know it means take your profit. All right. Same thing goes for this other one here. This is called invalidation. All right. And now, I mean, the abbreviation for invalidation is INVL. So I'm just going to be writing INVL. So whenever you say INVL, you know what it means. So another word for INVL is stop loss. And then the abbreviation for stop loss is SL. So whenever we see SL, we already know that it means stop loss. What is stop loss? For market to stop your loss. All right. Now, this is exactly how you get to know that this is a buy signal or a buy um, trade idea, right? Or a buy setup. Now, if you're entering here, please, I need you to pay attention. If you're entering here, let's say, where's my pen? Hold on. This is my pen. Let's say you're entering here, you don't know by myself, just you're entering. But want to exit here, or here, or here, or here, or here. Say you exit around like 5, right? Or to see. Now, from this moment you entered, and then the moment you exit the market, don't forget that exit means take profit. In order for you to take your profit, market has to move from here to here. It has to move upwards. And then you know that market that goes upwards is a what? A buy market. So this is exactly how you get to know that this trade is a buy setup. All right. If you're seeing this, it's a buy trade idea. Why? Because your entry is your exit is above. If you can exit or take a profit, market has to push to the upside. All right. Same thing goes for the sell side as well. All right. So now what we are going to be doing here is just observing. We're not doing anything serious on the trend scanner, guys. This is exactly how to go ahead, or how to go around using the trend scanner. All right. I need you to pay attention. All right. You that's it. I mean, you don't necessarily have to do anything if you come to the market. Just observe. 1 hour, is it a buy or sell setup? A buy. All right. Now let's check 30 minutes. Don't forget that these 4 time frames. Okay, let me just highlight it here. Now, if you feel like you need this, please take a screenshot of this, because if we leave, it's going to disappear. It's going to disappear. What is it that we're looking for? We're looking for 4 time frames. We're looking for direction. So this is the 1 hour is buy, right? Now let's say 30 minutes. Now let's delete this. Now, from what we just discussed, what kind of setup is this, guys? What kind of setup is this? From what we just discussed, guys, what kind of setup are you seeing on the screen? If you know, you drop in the chat box. Nobody's responding. I need you guys to respond very quickly. By a beautiful one. Now, don't forget that we're just looking for directional bias. We don't really have to do anything serious. We just want to know that one hour is giving us the same direction as 30 minutes. The 30 minutes is giving us the same direction as the 15 minutes and as well as the 5 minutes. Now let's go ahead and check the 15 minutes. 15 minutes also giving us a what? Buy setup. Alright. Now let's go check the 5 minutes. What's the 5 minutes giving us here, guys? From what we just discussed, what kind of setup is this? What kind of setup is this? Don't worry, it's recorded. It's recorded. Just make sure to watch again. What kind of setup is this? This is a what? Drop it in the chat box if you know. It's a cell. Beautiful. Beautiful. It is a cell. And of course, it is not aligning. So this is exactly what you want to watch out for. This is exactly what you just want to come see. You're not jumping into a trade because trend will ask you to buy or sell. You're not doing that. You just want to observe that, okay, and this giving me what I want to see. If it's not giving you what you want to see, then you do not have a trade idea at the moment. All you just have to do is wait, guys. Just wait. And do two things. You can either wait or you leave. You look for that is probably aligning. All right. So right now we don't have BTC USD aligning, but let's quickly check Euro USD to see Euro USD. Let's start from the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. What's it giving us? A buy or sell, guys. What kind of sell is this? A buy or sell, guys. Very very quickly, please. A buy or sell. 1 hour time frame. This might be a good one for tonight. Just maybe. A buy or sell. Very very quickly. What kind of sell is this? It's a sell. Now, good question. Why are we not checking the 4 hour time frame? Good question. I'll let you know because the 4 hours time frame is like the overall direction. Now, if the 4 hours is giving you like a buy, now if you are a swing trader, you want to start looking out for daily 4 hours, 1 hour, and then your entries has to be like maybe 45 minutes or 15 minutes. But we don't want to swing, we just want to look for trade setup. Now we want to start 1 hour, it's giving us a sell, right? 30 minutes, what's 30 minutes giving us? Also a sell, right? Also a sell. What's 15 minutes giving us? Also a sell, right? What is 5 minutes giving us? Also a sell. This is exactly what you want to see. This is exactly what you want to see. Now check for us. 4 hours giving us what? A buy. Right. Then daily is giving us a buy. So we don't want to wait because one candle here takes a day. Just one candle. You don't want to because this unit is a buy. You don't want to do that. You don't want to, this one candle takes 4 hours to form. So we just want to, get in a trade, make some money, get out, right? Or probably come back. That's a good question, though. I thought you were gonna ask why are we not checking for 5 minutes as well. For 5 minutes is also very essential. Now I'm just gonna explain the reason why we're not checking for the 5 minutes, or the reason why I have 45 minutes here is the fact that if we have 1 hour not aligning, I mean 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes aligning has to align, right? Now let's say we don't have 1 hour because of course it's a 1 hour time frame. And of course it takes 1 hour for each candle to form. And of course it's going to take time for you to adjust. Now let's say it is supposed to do like a sell, excuse me, and it was given a buy set of like 2 or 3 days, and it got to exit. But now changing structure into a sell mode, it is going to take time for to change into a sell. But if we have the 45 minutes already giving a sell vibe, we can quickly replace the 1 hour with the 45 minutes, and then just use four time frames: one, two, three, and then four. All right. But it's good thing if we have one, two, three, four, and including the five, sorry, including the 1 hour as well, giving a sell setup. Now, this is a good, this is a good, this is a good trade. If you trade USD, you should jump in on a sell. But yeah, that's not just all. That's not just all. But this is actually how you get to use the trend scanner. Now, 5 minutes also giving a sell, right? Also giving a sell. It's a good trade, guys. It's already at exit one, right? Already at exit one. It's obviously gonna push down to past exit five. Trust me. All right. So, um, hold on, guys. Hold on. Give me a moment, guys. Um, sorry about it. Go ahead, guys. Okay, USD. Oh, we need to. You need to now change this chorus. USD. Yeah, you. Boom. Got you. Okay, so we have everything now. Uh, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour aligning. Right now, we that brings us to the next scanner. All right. If we have all of these things, it does not mean you should just jump into a cell like that, guys. This is exactly how you go around the GFO scanners. This is exactly. Now we have to marry other scanners. Now let's invite the Nexus and then go straight to Forex USD. This is very straightforward, guys. Very straightforward. All you just have to do is check if it is trending or not. Where's EUR, please? Gotcha. EUR USD. Now, what is it saying? It's trending. It's trending, right? Now, a key. This is an entry zone. Okay, let me just zoom in clearly. Very straightforward scanners, guys. So many stuff here. I think they need to work on these things. This is an entry zone. All right. This is invalidation. All right. This is an entry zone. This is invalidation. This is exit. So many stuffs here. You just need to understand. Now, this white is telling you to break even here. All right, because it broke out here. So many stuffs here, guys. You just have to pay attention. Invalidation zone is here. Don't forget our invalidation means stop loss. These are stop loss zone here. All right. Then entry zone around this place. You can exit here. This is like exit one. All right. And then another opportunity zone, as you can see, is written here. Opportunity zone. Then exit zone as well. Exit one here. Exit two here. Now this target two that we have here, we have another target two here. All right. We have another target two here because we have opportunity zone here. We have opportunity zone here. We have opportunity zone here. So we have target one here, target two here. So let's say market is already at okay, close to target one. So all you just have to do is know that this is trending and it's on color red. If it is not trending, it will tell you not trending. Okay, let's look for an example of a not trending trade. I think BTC is not trending because it's not aligning. It's still there, guys. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? Not trending. That's BTC USD. Now let's get back to Euro USD. Now we already established the fact that this is trending. This is trending, right? Let's see load up again. Come on, man. Yeah, this is trending, right? That is exactly what we want to see. We want to see it trending. As long as it is trending, we are good. As long as it's trending, then we are good. Now, there's something I want to show you on this chart. Chart. This chart takes you to the new website. Then you have to log in, and you can now select the scanner. I mean, it gives you a little bit of clarity here. Euro USD. Let's get to Euro USD assets, forex, and then EUR. You can manually check it or search for it. Now, what is it saying about EUR? Now, look at this, guys. EUR is the 4 hours is bearish. Don't forget that sell means bearish. You can refer to the market as bearish, short, or sell. Any market that's going to the downside. All right. Now it says 4 hours is trending, 1 hour is trending, 30 minutes is trending, 15 minutes is also trending. All right. So it means that this is going to the downside. Don't forget bearish downside. That's exactly what it means. Bearish downside. Okay. Can you guys still hear me? Guys, are you following? All right. So if it was a buy, I think let's check. Trying to show you an example of AUD card. Let's see AUD card and give us like okay, AUD card is also here. Now look at this. If you see a bull like this, okay, if you see something like this is Australian dollar AUD CHF. It is bull, 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 and bear. You don't want to jump on a trade if it's bull, 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 and bear like this. You want to see bull, 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 bull. All right, bull, bull. I mean, it means bullish. It means market is buying. Any market that's going to the upside is a bull market, a bullish market, a buy market, or a long market. Don't forget, guys. I hope you took a screenshot. So, if you don't see this 1, 2, 3, 4 as a bull, you don't you have to wait until it changes into a bull, and then you can jump in on the trade idea. All right, but AUD USD, I mean, sorry, UUSD, I mean to say UUSD is bull, sorry, bearish also. So yeah, that's a good trade idea, trust me. This is it. Bearish. So yeah, opportunity zone here. He gave us an opportunity zone here. Exit 1 year, exit 2 year, and so okay, yeah, this is straightforward. This is the first opportunity zone, and this is the first stop loss. Target 1, target 2, it already. This is the second opportunity zone. This is second stop loss. Target 1, target 1 here, and target 2 here. And then this is the third opportunity zone. This is the target 1, target 2, and this is the stop loss. Did you see that, guys? It keeps giving you opportunity zones. It keeps giving you opportunity zones. So that's one amazing thing about the new scanner. Very, very amazing stuff, guys. I promise you, it is really, really amazing. All you just have to do is make sure that it is aligning. Don't forget that trend with directional bias is giving us all sell, right? 5 minutes giving us a sell, 15 minutes giving us a sell, 30 minutes giving us a sell, 5 minutes giving us a sell, including 1 hour giving us a sell, all right? And then coming to the next scanner is giving us a trending. Now, if you don't, I mean, this might not really give you what this is giving, this dashboard. This is giving the time frames and all that. But this just tells you that, oh, it is trending. Where is it? Here it is. It just tells you that it is trending, and then gives you the opportunity zone, the stop loss zones, and then the TP zones. But if you come here, you get all the time frames. That's how you get a filter. If you see this last one bear, sorry, this last one saying bullish or bull, you have to wait for it to change into bear. You want to make sure you're jumping into a trending market. All right. So these scanners are now aligning together with uh, trend wave confirmations. All right. Now this is just the two scanner. Now the third one is the Sniper Pro scanner. But before we go into the Sniper Pro scanner, let me know. Trendwave Nexus scanners understood. It's clear enough. Please drop a clear. If it's not clear, drop a not clear. And let's see if we can quickly do like a recap. All right. So what would you say, guys? Trendwave Nexus clear or not clear? If it's clear, drop a clear. If it's not clear, drop a not clear. If it's, I'm looking forward to seeing a not clear, guys. Yes, we have a question. Yes, guys, you're still going to ask a question. I would like to like unmute you to like have a question. Okay, I see a clear. Now we have a question, guys. Before we move on, I have a very funny question. If it's just showing beer, and you enter a trade and it turns to bull, how do you counter it? Because at point and moment as such, okay, it's not clear to you. Please, will I go to see the 4 hours and 1 hour 30 minutes trending? Okay, let me quickly answer that. All you have to do is look at these 4 hours. 4 hours trend, 1 hour trend, 30 minutes trend, 15 minutes trend is showing that it is bearish. All right, it's showing that it is bearish, and that is exactly what you want to be doing. You want to follow the trend. This scanner is designed to follow the trend. The trend wave scanner is also designed to follow the trend. That's why we don't want to come to trend wave and then you're seeing 1 hour giving you a buy, 30 minutes giving you a sell, 15 minutes giving you a sell, 5 minutes giving you a buy, and then you jump on a buy. No, that's not trend. That's not trending. That's rubbish. Trust me. That's not how to use the JFO scanner. It has to be trending. It's called a trend wave for a reason. It follows the trend. It gives you signal based off the trend. So if market is not trending, you don't arbitrate sell. All right, this is the exit 5. I promise you. If market is not trending, you do not have a trade setup at the moment. So this is what you always want to do. Just make sure that 1 hour is giving you the same setup as 30 minutes. 30 minutes giving you the same setup as the 15 minutes. Same thing as the 5 minutes. So once you have the same setup right here, and then I mean you're not entering for the trade, right? You are just coming to this guy here to confirm is this trending or not. It is trending. Now this doesn't give you like the old gist. That's when you come to this part where we have charts, and then it brings you here. You can just select it. All right, is I mean there are just three scanners over here. All right, just select it, and then it shows you the 4 hours. Is it trending? Yes it is. 1 hour, is it trending? Yes it is. 30 minutes, is it trending? Yes it is. 15 minutes, is it trending? Yes it is trending. And then you just want to see these things showing beer. It's just like our key shot scan. I miss key shot scan anyways, because key shot shows you down below, shows that okay it's actually trending. Now this just shows you beer, and then it's active. The beers are active. Now look at all the targets that it gave us. It almost hits. It gave us opportunity 3 times. This first opportunity has gone into exit 2. That one is gone. Second opportunity has gone into exit 1. It's gone. The third opportunity is almost at exit 1 as well. I don't know if you understand this, but I do. I do understand it. I don't know if you do also. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that answers your question. Uh, helping the poor. Yes, exactly. I hope that answers the question. Now let's get into Sniper Pro. Sniper Pro, you don't really need to do. I mean, Sniper Pro is more like a break ball to these guys. All you just have to do is make sure that this is saying bearish, trending, and very strong. It's as simple as that, guys. For the same time frames that you're looking at, same time frames you're looking at. Now let's start with 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is giving us a bullish, pulling back and weak. I mean, this is also passing a sell information, but I'm just going to explain this. Okay, how do I explain it? Okay, let me start from there. Now, please, I need you to pay attention. This might be a little bit confusing, but it is not. Trust me. Now, this is a bullish trend. You agree with me that this is a bullish trend? A impulse pullback, impulse pullback, impulse pullback, impulse. Now, if you take your trend line and then drag it like this, you agree with me that this right here. Okay, hold up. This right here is an uptrend. Yes, so yes. Oh my god, what's going on? This is an uptrend, right? Because it's actually trending to the upside. Alright. Now for the downside, you want to see something like this. Pullback, impulse, pullbacks, impulse, pullbacks, impulse, pullbacks, impulse, pullbacks. If you also take your trend line and then drag it to the downside, you get a downtrend. Please pay attention, I beg of you. Are you guys paying attention? Yes or yes? Yes, are you paying attention? Now, this is an uptrend, this is a downtrend. This is a bullish trend, this is a bearish trend. Now, if you see a bullish trend like this, it's showing bullish on color blue, right? But it's not trending, it's not consolidating, it is pulling back, right? It is pulling back, but that bullish movement is weak. That bullish is not very strong, neither is it strong, it's not neutral, it is weak. That is why we have a pulling back. Now, let's say we have a bullish like this, right? Then if it's pulling back, you start to see stuffs like this. It begins to do something like this. It's no longer bullishing. It's no longer trending to the upside. It's now what? Pulling back. That's when you get to see stuffs like this. It's now what? Pulling back. Why? Because the bullish movement is weak. All right. So this can also translate into a sell movement. This pulling back and weak can be translated into a sell signal, right? So once you see this, you know what it means. Then let's see 30 minutes as well. Same thing for the five. Same thing for the 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, even saying this is very weak. So you know that you should be expecting, a drop to the downside. Then 15 minutes, what is it saying? 15 minutes over here is saying it is now bearish on the 15 minutes trend or chart. It is bearish, it is trending, and it is very strong. All right, guys, guess, don't forget what I said about 1 hour. It takes time for 1 hour to change. It was a bullish move on the 1 hour, but it became weak and now pulling back. It will take a while before we start seeing bearish trending very strong on 1 hour. Same thing for 30 minutes. But 15 minutes already, these guys are already they've already changed structure into the bearish side. They are trending and the trend is very strong. Same thing for the 5 minutes. So this is exactly what you want to see. These confirmations is exactly what you want to see. So once you get these things, boom. Um, Sniper Pro aligning with Nexus, Nexus aligning with Trend Wave, and then boom, you're good to go. So this is exactly how you confirm a trade idea. Do you have any question, guys? Any question? I'm expecting you to ask one question. Please, will I go to see the? Okay, I think we already tackled this. Guys, do you have any question? I'm expecting a question, a simple question. I'm expecting anyone to ask a question. All right. Sandra, do you understand this? Neche, very good. Who else is on the call? Helping the poor. I hope that answers your question, bro. Okay, no one is asking the question. I'm just gonna ask. Now, the question I'm expecting you guys to ask is, after confirming all of these things, when do you enter? How do you enter a trade? All right? How do you enter a trade after confirming? Don't forget that we didn't enter any trade. We were just, going around to confirm our trade if it is a good trade. Because I like to say this all the time, guys, they are good trade setups on the JFO scanners. Now, the same way we have good trade setups is the same way we have the not so good trade setups. And then you don't want to be trading in not so good ones. All right, you just want to be looking out or watching out for the good ones. If you don't see the good ones, just rest. Just see a tutorial video or take a nap or read something or just do something different. Don't frustrate. That's like a very terrible thing to do, right? Just rest. It's as easy as that. I mean, maybe it's not very easy, but you're advised to not frustrate. Just let it be, please, right? So if you don't see your trade aligning like this, you don't have a trade set up at the moment. Just leave it alone. So how do you take trade setup if you have everything aligned like this? You scale down to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes or whatever time frame that has the market price currently at entry or around entry. All right. For example, 5 minutes is already at exit one, 15 minutes is already at exit three, 30 minutes is already at exit past exit one, almost at exit two. For 5 minutes, exit one, 1 hour, exit one. So the closest one we have is the 5 minutes. All right, it's pushing to entry. So whenever it gets to entry, you can jump in for a sell or you set a sell stop. Sorry, a sell limit around this area. So if it gets here, it triggers you in for a sell. So that's exactly how you get to use the trend wave sniper pro on the Nexus scanners. I hope you understand, guys.